In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine videos together in Canva, step by step. By the end, you'll know how to set up a project, bring in multiple clips, arrange and refine them, add polish-like transitions and audio, and export a single shareable file. Start by heading to Canva and logging into your account. On the homepage, click Create a Design. From the menu, choose the video size that fits where you'll post. Pick video for a standard horizontal format, mobile video for vertical, or use options like YouTube video or TikTok video. Selecting the right aspect ratio up front prevents cropping later and keeps your footage framed correctly on your platform of choice. With your blank project open, look to the left panel and go to Uploads. Click Upload Files, then select all the video clips you want to combine. You can choose multiple files at once to save time. Wait for the upload progress to complete before you start editing, especially for larger files. A stable connection helps here. Now add your clips to the timeline. Drag the first video onto the canvas or directly into the timeline at the bottom. Then drag the second clip after the first and continue until all clips are placed in the order you want. Canva automatically stitches these together inside one project, so you can press play to preview the flow. If you need to change the sequence, simply drag any clip left or right on the timeline until it snaps into the new spot. To tidy your pacing, click a clip and trim it by dragging the edges inward. This lets you remove pauses, false starts, or extra footage at the beginning or end. Keep your trims clean so cuts feel intentional and the story moves quickly. If you want smoother connections between clips, click the space between them and choose Add Transition. Pick an effect like fade, dissolve, or slide, and adjust its duration for either a subtle or more noticeable look. Consistent transitions help the edit feel cohesive. For background music or voiceover, open the Audio tab. You can use Canva's tracks or upload your own sound. Drag it to the timeline, then lower the volume so it supports rather than overpowers dialogue. Trim or reposition the audio to match key moments. Enhance your video with titles, captions, emojis, animations, or branding. Keep text concise and readable, and place elements where they won't cover important visuals. When you're happy, click Share, then Download. Choose MP4 video, and hit Download. Canva will export all your clips as one seamless video file, ready to post or share.